In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a country code to phone numbers in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to organize phone numbers in your spreadsheet and ensure they all have the correct country code, you know that this can be a tedious task if done manually. Fortunately, Google Sheets offers a simple way to automate this process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you need to head over to Google Sheets. If you already have your spreadsheet ready, with the phone numbers laid out, that's great. If not, you might want to take a moment to input your data to be ready for this tutorial. Once you're in your Google Sheet, go ahead and select the column or the specific cells containing the phone numbers that you'd like to format. Make sure the numbers are ready for the changes we're about to make. With your numbers selected, look towards the top of the screen to find the Format menu. Click on Format and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, you'll want to navigate down to the Number option. Just hover over Number and another menu should open up on the side. In this new menu, you'll find the option for Custom Number Format. Click on this to open the Format dialog. Now you're ready to add the country code. In the Format text box that appears, input the format in which you want your phone numbers to appear. For instance, if you're adding a US country code, you should write it as +1 at reverse. The * symbol acts as a placeholder for your existing number, and the +1 is the country code for the United States. Be sure to replace +1 with the relevant code for the country you need. Once you've typed in the format, press Apply. This configuration will automatically prepend the country code to all the numbers you've selected in your spreadsheet. It's really that straightforward. If you need to adjust this for different country codes or add them to different sets of numbers, simply repeat the process with the appropriate format. With this method, you've made your Google Sheet more consistent and useful, particularly if you're planning to use this spreadsheet for any form of contact management, marketing, or data analysis that requires international phone numbers. Not only does this ensure that all numbers are properly formatted, but it also saves a significant amount of time and reduces manual entry errors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.